In the sterile environment of a well-funded laboratory, four experts lean over a table. Their eyes are fixed on an ancient skull that challenges everything they thought they knew about human evolution. Deep in the skull's recesses, a secret is hiding, begging to be uncovered. This is the remarkable story of a team of scientists who stumbled upon a fossilized skull that should not exist. What they discover in the structure sends shockwaves through the scientific community and raises questions about the very origins of humanity. Let us delve into the intriguing details of this mysterious fossil and explore how it is rewriting the rules of human evolution. The skull's anatomy is perplexing. Its jaw is massive and thrust forward at an unnatural angle, a trait not seen in modern humans. Its cheekbones flare outwards much more than any known hominin fossil. The brow ridge is also unusually thick, almost shield-like, which is puzzling because the cranial dome is larger and more elongated than Homo sapiens. When the skull was first unearthed, it was initially believed to be a fragmented fossil of an extinct hominin species. However, once fully revealed, this assumption was disproved. Its proportions were just not right. The skull doesn't fit into the established timeline of human evolution. It doesn't resemble Homo habilis, Homo erectus, Neanderthals, or Denisovans, all of our ancient relatives who have left behind bones that chart the course of humanity's history. This discovery poses a significant challenge to the prevailing narrative of human evolution. The skull hints at a hidden story, a separate branch of our family tree that flourished but left no trace in the fossil record. One of the researchers, Dr. Emily Carter, an anthropologist renowned for her work on ancient hominins, can't contain her surprise. "This shouldn't exist," she mutters, her voice echoing in the vast emptiness of the lab. Her colleagues, equally perplexed, nod their heads in solemn agreement. This is a sentiment that would soon resonate across the scientific community, shaking the foundations of what we thought we knew about our origins. Their discovery immediately sparks comparisons to mythical giants described in ancient texts and folklore or depicted in the carvings of long-lost civilizations. These beings often possess exaggerated features, much like the skull, which appears to defy the conventional evolutionary narrative. Is it possible that these myths are more than just stories? Could they be distorted memories passed down through generations? Echoing encounters with beings like the one whose skull now rests under the laboratory lights. Drive Carter, however, remains skeptical. Myths are not evidence, she argues passionately during a heated team meeting. The scientific method hinges on measurable proof, replicable results, and a healthy dose of skepticism. Unfortunately, this discovery, with its uncanny resemblance to mythical figures, is treading a dangerous path, one that threatens to blur the line between science and mythology. Her colleague, Dr. James Taylor, a molecular biologist with a specialization in ancient DNA, counters her argument. But what if there's more to these myths than we realize? He challenges, his voice a low rumble. What if they preserve fragments of a reality that science has yet to uncover? His words hang in the air, a tantalizing suggestion that refuses to be ignored. As the debate rages on, Dr. Carter finds herself torn between her commitment to scientific rigor and the unsettling possibility that the skull holds the key to a history beyond our current understanding. Could it be an undiscovered branch of humanity erased by time and circumstance? Or could it offer evidence of an intelligent species that once shared the earth with humans, but was deliberately concealed by history, whether through natural catastrophe or purposeful omission? To unravel this enigma, the team subjects the skull to a battery of tests. They analyze its chemical composition, searching for traces of ancient DNA that could reveal its genetic makeup. They examine its structure, looking for clues about its behavior and lifestyle. But the deeper they delve, the more perplexing the puzzle becomes. The skull's teeth, while resembling those of early humans, are unnervingly uniform, almost as if crafted rather than shaped by natural processes. This detail doesn't align with the evolutionary pattern observed in other hominin species, leaving the team baffled. Furthermore, the cranial cavity, measured with cutting-edge technology, suggests a brain volume larger than that of modern Homo sapiens. If accurate, this finding implies a level of intelligence beyond what we typically associate with our primitive ancestors. The implications are profound. If a species with such advanced cognitive abilities once roamed the earth, Why has no definitive record been left behind? Dr. Carter grapples with this conundrum, aware that the answers could reshape our understanding of human history. The skull seems to bridge the gap between myth and reality, forcing them to confront the boundaries of what we believe to be possible. The team's findings are meticulously documented, forming the basis for a groundbreaking research paper that is set to revolutionize the field of paleoanthropology. However, as they prepare for its release, they face a daunting task: how to present their controversial findings to the world. News of their discovery quickly spreads, attracting the attention of both the scientific community and the public. Headlines scream of a shocking find that challenges everything we thought we knew about human evolution. The media frenzy is intense, with talk show hosts and internet commentators weighing in on the debate. Amidst the chaos, Dr. Carter and her colleagues stand firm, defending their research with unwavering conviction. They are prepared to face the scrutiny and skepticism that often accompany groundbreaking discoveries. However, what they don't anticipate is the backlash from mainstream institutions. As the full weight of the establishment's opposition becomes apparent, the team realizes that their journey has just begun. The hallowed halls of academia are a battleground for ideas, where groundbreaking discoveries are met with equal parts excitement and resistance. In the case of the enigmatic skull, the response from some quarters is far from enthusiastic. Mainstream institutions, hesitant to overturn well-established theories, treat the findings with a mixture of caution and skepticism. Renowned universities and museums, bastions of conventional thought, prefer to tread carefully, wary of upsetting the status quo. Despite this pushback, Dr. Carter and her team remain resolute. They understand that their discovery, whether accepted or rejected, has already shifted the conversation and opened up new avenues of inquiry. The debate surrounding the skull's origin intensifies, giving rise to various and sometimes conflicting theories. Some experts argue that the skull's proportions, along with its unique anatomical features, can be explained by congenital conditions. Others contend that it represents an entirely new branch of the human family tree. A smaller group, more open to unconventional ideas, suggests that the skull might not be human at all, but evidence of a non-terrestrial presence in Earth's past. This fringe theory, while lacking mainstream support, gains traction in certain circles. Proponents of this view argue that the skull's advanced characteristics, such as its brain structure, cannot be accounted for by conventional evolutionary theory. They suggest that the skull might belong to an extraterrestrial being that visited Earth in prehistoric times. As the debate heats up, some start to believe that discoveries like this have been made before, but influential entities have actively worked to suppress them. They argue that powerful institutions, fearing the destabilization of established narratives, have chosen to bury inconvenient evidence, keeping it out of the public sphere. The very idea that there might be a hidden history of humanity, one that contradicts the official account, is both fascinating and unsettling. The notion that we might have once shared the Earth with beings beyond our current understanding challenges the very foundations of our knowledge. For those seeking answers, the notion that powerful forces are actively working to keep them in the dark is deeply troubling. It raises questions about the nature of knowledge and the lengths to which some will go to protect established narratives. In this climate of uncertainty and debate, one thing becomes increasingly clear. The skull has become a symbol of the limits of our understanding. It serves as a reminder that the past is far more complex and enigmatic than our textbooks and theories would have us believe. As the dust settles and the debate continues, the significance of the skull becomes undeniable. Whether regarded as a product of natural variation, an ancient hominin, or a relic of extraterrestrial life, it forces us to confront the profound mysteries of our past. This extraordinary discovery has not only captured the imagination of the scientific community, but has also sparked public fascination. The media's portrayal of the skull has played a pivotal role in amplifying the mystery and controversy surrounding it. Headlines in major newspapers and magazines proclaim the discovery of a kind, challenging conventional wisdom and opening up new possibilities. Talk shows and news programs dedicate entire segments to discussing the implications of the find, inviting experts and enthusiasts to weigh in. The internet, too, buzzes with activity as amateur enthusiasts pore over images of the skull. offering their own interpretations and theories. Social media platforms become virtual forums for debating the latest findings and speculating about what the future might hold. As the debate intensifies, public interest grows, blurring the lines between entertainment and education. Some see in the skull's enigmatic features a confirmation of their long-held beliefs, while others approach it with healthy skepticism. Regardless of one's stance, it's clear that this discovery has captured the public imagination, reminding us of our enduring fascination with the mysteries of our past. The discovery of the skull ushers in a new era of exploration in the field of paleoanthropology. Researchers around the world are inspired to re-examine existing evidence, seeking new insights and perspectives. Museums update their exhibits, incorporating the latest findings and acknowledging the uncertainties that come with exploring the unknown. Academic institutions establish new research programs dedicated to studying the skull and its implications. Collaborative efforts bring together experts from various disciplines, creating an exciting synergy of ideas and approaches. Funding agencies prioritize research related to the skull, recognizing its importance in advancing our understanding. The impact extends beyond academia as individuals from all walks of life become intrigued by the mysteries of human evolution. Citizen scientists contribute to data collection, eager to be part of the unfolding narrative. As knowledge expands, one thing becomes clear: the discovery of the skull has sparked a renaissance of exploration, encouraging us to embrace the complexities and wonder of our prehistoric past. The enigmatic skull continues to captivate the world's attention, serving as a constant reminder of the boundless mysteries that lie within our reach. Its impact on the scientific community and the broader public is immeasurable. Whether viewed as a testament to the adaptability of early humans, evidence of an ancient civilization, or a relic of extraterrestrial life, the skull challenges our perceptions of the past. It invites us to embrace the unknown and confront the profound questions about our origins and place in the universe. As we continue to explore the depths of space and the intricacies of our planet's history, we carry with us the legacy of the skull. It serves as a beacon, guiding us towards a deeper appreciation for the complexities and wonders of the world around us.